So starting recording late today, but today I went ahead and entered short on NQ at 283 on TopStep account with my stop at 2306. Looking for price to come down to the composite value area 225 of yesterday. Market hasn't opened yet. Took this off of like after news release at 8:30, which today's release was unemployment claims, building permits, and Philly Fed manufacturing index. Now the scenarios for today. First, the premise. Every time frame is showing that it's overextended, so I'll be looking for a short. There is a head and shoulders present. I'll be looking for market execution to short off the test of the last high pre-break. If price fails the last high pre-breaks of head and shoulders, I'll enter short for the next CVA. And scenario 2, since price is not near a CVA, I will have to play off of VWAP, and I will look for a failure underneath VWAP and enter for a short down to CVA high. And that's exactly what I did. This entry is based off VWAP. Here's the test off VWAP. Price came to the level, failed it, and I went ahead and entered after that. Now, I actually accidentally entered on my Apteros account at first, and I closed it out for a small profit, and then I entered on TopStep. I didn't want to trade Apteros today. I hit my weekly target on Apteros, so I'm pretty much done with that account for today, so I'm going to exit out so I don't make that mistake again. Let's go back here. Far as any adding opportunities, if price gets to this level, I'll go ahead add, which that level is 262. We'll call it a flat 262. So I just adjusted target to daily target. So daily target's reached. I'm definitely securing profits. Target has already been reached. So if we get a rejection here, I'll go ahead and close out the position. But if we close beneath this CVA high, I'm going to continue to hold and see if we can hit that daily target. So we closed beneath the level, so I'm going to continue to hold. I'm going to adjust my stop underneath or above this candle on this candle's close. And I'm not going to take it out of here. So may have nearly missed it. We'll see. I'm still confident that it's going to continue to push down, but I don't like that I had it a couple ticks away from the target. Should have been more exact with setting the target. We have 9 seconds. If this closes as a hammer, that's not a good sign for me. We close as a hammer. Man. I'm gonna adjust stop like I said I would. Right here. It's a very tight stop. I don't want price to come back up here at all. So I want price to push down, break the low of this hammer. Because it's not on any particular support other than like yesterday's support levels. It's not on the CVA high. If this was on the CVA high, I'd be more apt to actually switching my bias and going long, but not today. So we got a nice 1K profit day. I'm going to call it a day there and come back tomorrow. It's time to review the DRC. Today was an A grade day. Had earned 1030. We had news today. From 9 to 12, the review graded all A's. I took a short on NQ. Price pushed to target. I adjusted stop target to daily target. I adjusted target to daily target P&L, my P&L based target, as price started to move aggressively down. I then aggressively adjusted stop, very aggressively adjusted stop. Initially, I accidentally took a position on a Apteros account. I noticed a mistake and immediately got out, then entered on TopStep. So I didn't want to trade Apteros today. I had both CR charts up. I should have exited the Apteros out, but I was really tired this morning. Even though I got plenty of sleep, I was really tired. So wasn't completely thinking through. As soon as I exited the position, I decided to close out that CR chart. So solved the problem pretty quickly. What did I do today? I executed scenario 2 and price hit trailing stop. I stopped trading because I was just 500 short of daily target. I figured it was good to call it a day there. So let's go look at the screenshot and break down how I executed this trade. I already had it up. So I got short off a test of VWAP up here at 306. I was a little late because of the initial position on Apteros, but I got in, set my stop above this level 306, and then was looking for price to continue to push down to this high of the CVA here at 225, right? Now as price was scaling down, I was looking for opportunities to add. They just didn't come. I was looking for price to come back up to 262. It didn't happen until after price hit target, and then so I would have gotten into the position. But here price formed a hammer, and I didn't want to see price come back above, so I went ahead and secured the profit right beneath the target level that I initially set, right above this candle, and then price came up, got me out. And eventually it came all the way to 262, like I said, and then came all the way back down to the daily target that I was targeting. So that was the trade today. Let's go back to Obsidian. Highlights: one simple trade executed ideally, and then low lie, I took position on Apteros at first, then I corrected the mistake. And then top lesson is just to keep stacking the small wins. They're gonna build up over time. I'm up about 5.4K on TopStep account. So just 4,000 more. So if I get 4 more days like this, then I accomplish the target and I will be funded. So let's do that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please comment in the comment section, and I'll catch you tomorrow.